What's up, guys, and welcome back to Digital Heresy. So, it's the weekend, and I figured I'd give you guys a pretty simple video for those who are interested in backgrounds or themes in Windows 11. And those words are kind of interchangeable. Now, yes, you can go to the interwebs and find any specific picture that you want as your background or theme with a matching resolution to your monitor. But Windows kind of does all the guesswork for you in themes, and I'm going to show you guys how to navigate to it all. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to go over is backgrounds. So we're going to come down here to Google Chrome, go to the search, and we're going to type in, cute puppy 4K backgrounds. So we're going to get all these wonderful, adorable little puppies, right? Who doesn't love puppies? So, as wonderful as these puppies look, let's go ahead and make that search a little bit more specific. Cute husky puppy 4K backgrounds. So much cuter, right? So, we're going to go ahead and take this picture, right click, save image as, rename it to husky puppy, and then we're going to go ahead and save it. It's going to save, and then we can come up here to the show in folder, and then we click on the picture, right click, and then we can go ahead and set it as background. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to navigate to backgrounds if you're not trying to put that picture directly on your background as soon as you download it. So you want to come down here to start, type in settings, click on settings, come to the left hand side where it says personalization, and then the top one's going to be backgrounds. Now, in backgrounds, you have a couple of options, okay? So, for where it says personalize your background, you can make it a picture, a solid color, a slideshow, or you can let Windows Spotlight do what it wants to do. So for this, we're going to go ahead and browse photos, pick that photo that we wanted, choose picture, and it's going to go ahead and change the background to the picture that we decided. Look how adorable they look. Anyways, so another way to get to the background a little bit faster, come down to the search, type in background, and then go to where it says background image settings. And then it's going to show you the very same thing, but then you can also resize your picture to your desktop. Now, if you are on a 4K monitor and you already using a 4K picture, none of these are going to work except for fill and fit. It's literally going to be the same thing all the way down. But if you had like a 1080p picture, then you can use that as well. So I already have a few pictures here. This is of another background that I downloaded. Doesn't look as good as the 4K one for the dogs, but it's okay. And then we all love this picture. I mean, who doesn't? Deadpool, Wolverine, Dogpool. Yeah. Anyways, next, let's go ahead and go over themes. Now, for themes, it's a little bit different than just going on the internet and finding a picture. So we're gonna come down to the search, same concept, type in settings, can hit enter or click it, go to personalization, and then we're going to come over to themes. Now, you can use one of the themes that they have, or you can pick your own theme. And in order to pick your own theme, you have to browse themes or choose one that is right here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and browse themes. Now, as soon as you click browse themes, this window is going to pop up, and it's going to give you a couple of options for themes that they have here. They have themes that are free, they have paid themes, and they also have ones that are discounted as well. But let's say you had something specific you wanted to look for, like car themes. Type car theme in the search, and then press enter. And then whatever car themes that the Microsoft Store has, they will actually show up. But you can see that there's tons of stuff here as well that's not car themes. So what you would do is go to filters on the right hand side, go to all departments, scroll down to themes, and then this is going to give you all the themes that they have. Unfortunately, the Windows Store only has 3 different themes for cars. But let's say that was fine and you wanted to just look at themes that were free. Come to all types, you would go to free. If you wanted to look for ones that were paid or on sale, you would click on those. And then it's going to go ahead and bring up all these pictures that are, in this case, free. So we're going to go ahead and click on the 911. We're going to go ahead and get it. Click get, and it will go ahead and start downloading. Once it's finished, it should pop up here. Oh, there it is. And that, my friends, is a beautiful car. Now, the difference between themes and backgrounds is that when you are putting a theme on, it also changed the accent colors. So as you can see in the sky, there's like a little bit of blue. So it's gonna try to match that blue as much as possible with the accent colors. And then for any dark areas, it will change the taskbar down here to that area. So for example, let's go ahead and change to the pumpkin one. Pumpkin one changed. Since it's still a dark area, the bottom still remains the same. However, the accent colors are now orange. And then, like I said, they'll change with whatever background you have for the themes. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it informative, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more PC tutorials. If you guys have any questions, or if you want to learn something specific in Windows or Linux, let me know down in the comment section below, and I can actually make a video on it. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video.